Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our second paycheck in May and going over our third paycheck. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. In our budget from May the 10th through the 16th, in our expense category, we budgeted $179.78 for our chiropractor, $165.51 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $28 for Terminex, $25.06 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, and $16.15 for Audible. That came up to $502.09. In our actual category, we paid $179.78 for our chiropractor, $165.48 for our car insurance, which is a difference of 3 cents. Woo, it went down 3 cents. $71.40 for Google Fiber, $28 for Terminex, $25.06 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, and $16.15 for Audible. That came up to $502.06, which was a difference of 3 cents. In our extras, we budgeted $50 for our backup funds, and in our actual, we put $50 in our backup funds. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, and $60 for our challenges. That came up to $900. In our actual category, we spent $435 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $55, $350 in our sinking funds, and $60 in our savings challenges. That came up to $845, which was a difference of $55. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $1,572.35, minus our expenses of $502.09, minus the extras of $50, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, and minus the challenges of $60. That left a remainder of $120.26. In our actual category, our income was $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $502.06, which was a difference of 3 cents, minus the extras of $50, minus the cash envelopes of $435, which was a difference of $55, minus the sinking funds of $350, and minus the savings challenge of $60. That left a remainder of $175.29, which was a savings of $55.03. In our budget from May the 17th through the 23rd, in our expense category, we budgeted $367.67 for our phone bill, $83.88 for our YouTube TV, $50.64 for our homeowner's warranty, $100 for our med subscriptions, $70 for my husband's VA medical bill, and $1.99 for Google Stores. That came up to $674.18. In our extra category, we budgeted $400 for our extra payment and $100 for our backup funds. That came up to $500. We budgeted $530 in our cash envelopes, $575 in our sinking fund, and $140 in our savings challenges. That came up to a total of $1,245. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.45, minus our expenses of $674.18, minus the extras of $500, minus our cash envelopes of $530, minus our sinking funds of $575, and minus our savings challenge of $140. I'm sorry, I had to take that. We have a family emergency, but I don't even know where I stopped at. That leaves a remainder of $442.27, which will stay in the bank, and I will explain all that in a few minutes. So fam, as you can tell, we did have a lot of extra money left over. That's going to stay in the bank. We do have a family emergency, so me, my mom, and my husband will be leaving today to go to Texas to handle some things, and I'm going to have to pull money from different envelopes because we need to pay for a hotel, gas, travel, all that stuff. So you will see a difference in some of the envelopes here within the next couple of videos. Right now, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to stuff the envelope. I'm going to stuff my cash envelopes, and then I'll go from there. But that is where we're at on our budget. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. I will be doing my cash stuffing right after this. And I've edited some videos. So I'm going to pre-schedule some videos that will go up before this, so that I won't have to worry about that this weekend while I'm out of town. That is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.